Hello, I'm Peter from Georgia Tech, and I will present ProteoVision, a web-based tool for the concerted study of sequence alignments and structures. In the study of the origin of life, we often compare sequences of extant species to learn about ancient evolutionary events. ProteoVision provides an easy and intuitive interface to study the evolution of proteins in 1, 2, and 3D. ProteoVision provides a set of alignments for the most ancient molecular fossil, the ribosome, and it calculates a sequence conservation. It allows for the download of these alignments and the download of images and the mapping of different types of calculated data from these alignments. ProteoVision can calculate amino acid frequencies based on these alignments, and it allows for the saving of these frequencies both as an image and as a data. Finally, ProteoVision allows the connection of the alignment to the structure and the mapping of the data of the calculated data on 2D and 3D. ProteoVision allows the download of high-fidelity images from these viewers and their use in publication images. ProteoVision is available at proteovision.chemistry.caltech.edu, and you can always contact me if you have any questions.